So we have understood about power set of A. Power set of A exactly is called as possible subsets of A. Power set of A is possible subsets of A. Possible subsets of any set. Possible subsets of what? Possible subsets of any set. Now let's see here. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you tell me how many subsets of A is possible? First, we will find power set of A. First, we will write 5 because 5 is a subset of every set. Then you will say, auntie, it will come 1, 2, then again 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. But it will always go one direction. Like 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, and then 3 to 4. And then take 3, 3 element. One time it will become 1, 2, 3. Next time it will become 1, 2, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay. And then 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 elements are there. So total in power set, how many elements are there? 16 elements are there. 16 elements are present inside the power set. Then you will say, auntie, what these elements are? These elements are possible subsets. Possible subsets of set A. You take it any one. You take any one of it out and check. Is it going to satisfy subset? So let us take any one and check. Is it really a subset or not? Okay, the number of subset 2 to the power n. Correct only, Saranya. Absolutely correct, beta. That is exactly given by that. So the set A exactly is having 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you take out any set B. B is exactly 2, 3, 4. And B is taken out from this power set. Okay, so definitely 2, 3, 4 is present inside A. So B is a subset of A. That means what, beta? If you will be taking out any set like C, randomly you take out set C 2, 3. That means 2, 3 is there. Now see, A is having 2, 3. So definitely C is a subset of A. So from here, if any subset you are taking out, if any this collection of sets you will take out any one, that will be automatically subset of A. So that is what, beta, how many possible subsets of A is possible if A is having 4 elements. So if A is having 4 elements, then possible subsets is 16. Now look here, beta, one important information. Formula for possible subsets. If A is having exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, then possible subsets, how to find? That is exactly cardinal number. How many elements is there here? Here you will say, auntie, cardinal number 4 element. Then what are the possible subsets? Number of subsets. For A is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. I hope you might have understood 2 to the power 4, that is 16. I hope you might have understood. Understood, beta? That is cardinal number. 2 to the power cardinal number of a set. That means that many subsets will be possible. That many subsets will be possible. 2 to the power cardinal number, that many subsets is possible. How many subsets possible? Then you say 2 to the power exactly number of cardinal number of a set, that many subsets. Okay, Saranya is telling she understood. Anyone else understood? Now, beta, tell me quickly, did you understood this part, cardinal number of a set? Okay, Dhaneshwari understood. Very good, Dhaneshwari. Everyone understood this part, beta? How to find cardinal number? Okay. Bhumika told, Bhumika also understood. Fine. Anila understood, Bhumika. Arvind understood, beta? How to find? Adit understood na? That is what. So one more time I am going to teach you one question we are going to solve with this. So if A is exactly having element A and B, find power set of A and find power set of A. Okay, find power set of A and number of possible subsets of a set A. So definitely, very good. Saranya is telling 4. Saranya told answer will be 4. Anyone else? What will be the answer, beta? Anila told answer will be 4. Anyone else? Tell me the answer, beta. Anyone tell me answer? See, look here. Formula first. What is A? A is equal to AB. Okay. That means, beta, cardinal number of A will be exactly 2. Then power set is exactly written as P of A. And P of A is always written as, first we will start with phi A, B, AB. Okay, that means now we will see how many elements are there. 4 elements. Then number of possible subsets two to the power. How many element is there here? Cardinal number how much came? 2. So 2 to the power 2. So it is coming 4. And check here. Is it 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 in number. Good. Now solve this question and find. Find the power set. Quickly, how many power set will be there and find the power set of this. Okay, someone gave the answer. Saranya told it is 8. Super. For 3 element total possible subsets is 8. For 3 element total possible subsets is 8. Very good. Cardinal number 3. Cardinal number is 3. Okay, beta. See how power set of A will be starting. Correct. 2 to the power 3. That is 5 minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 subsets possible. 8 subsets. How many subsets possible for a set A? Total number of possible subsets of a set A is 2 to the power 3. That is the cardinal number. And here, beta, cardinal number of A is exactly how much? Cardinal number of A is 3. I hope my children might have understood how to solve these questions. Understood or not, beta? Tell me fast. Okay, Saranya is telling she understood. Others understood, beta? Anila said understood. Very good. Bhumika told she understood. Fine. Danishri understood, beta? Arvind? Okay. That means, beta, till here power set. Is it exactly all clear to you? Is it all clear? Is it all clear? Yesterday, that for that only I was wanted to keep a session where I can give you some high level questions, but you were not ready. So I gave that session, but yesterday I canceled the session. Today's session is there. And I'm scared to give you because you don't want competition. So next question, let's see. So second theorem also I gave you. One theorem is there that I'll explain because time is not that much today. Power set concept I have taught. Now one question is there. This will be over, beta. Show that this is very, very important question. show that n of P of P of P of A is equal to 4. Okay, Saranya, till now it is easy, but I really want you to go through with some very typical questions. So that questions I want to discuss. Tomorrow I'll be keeping your session. I will not be giving time to class 12th. Evening I'll try to give you this session for question answers so that we can encounter at least 20 questions there. Okay, if you wish, you can join. No, don't wish. Other people will join. Fine. So here, P of P of P of A. Answer, how to solve it? It is already there. But beta P of P of P of phi. When this will be there, then what you are going to do? Solved? Anyone tried this one? Now look here, beta. Phi is an empty set. Phi is an empty set. How to prove it? Phi is an empty set. Now, beta, P of phi means power set of phi. That means power set of phi, if it will come, power set of phi. If power set of phi will come, that means 100% phi will be inside it. Okay, that means only one element will be there, and that is phi. Phi is an empty set and power set of phi is only phi. Okay, now power set of phi. Now this time, this phi is exactly one element already present. So now this time it is 2. And if cardinal number of it you will do, here cardinal number of P of phi if you will do, you are getting 1. Here cardinal number of P of phi if you will do, you are getting how many element inside? 2 element. Now it's cardinal number. It's again one more time you do. Then what you are going to get? First, phi will be a set of power set. And then this phi will be coming now in bracket. Now this phi will come in double bracket. Okay, and one condition will come when this phi and this double bracket phi will come. And then if you are 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means if you will find cardinal number of P of phi, then it is exactly containing 4 elements. This question, one more time I'll explain for those who have not understood, one more time. So like these type of question sessions I was wanting. These type of question sessions I was wanting. And because of that only I told you to come, so that morning time I will teach, evening time I will discuss questions. After 1 year you are going to write competitions. This next year onward, after next year. So it's important. Now I am having platform where you can revise. Okay, understood na Saranya? Now for others, beta, understand. Phi is an empty set, means not at all containing any set. Now what will be the possible subset of phi? Means what? What is the possible subset of phi? Phi itself, because phi is empty. But if they will say, okay, find the power set of this condition. Find the power set of P of phi. And you know, P of phi is nothing but this one. Now, you always write if A is equal to one element is there, then what is the power set of A? You will start with writing phi and then you will write A 1. So here you have to start with this element phi. Sorry, you have to start with phi. And now this is one of the element. So this one you will write. Now, if someone will tell power set of P of phi. Now this time you have to find power set of P of phi. Then again, first you have to write phi. Okay. After writing phi, you write this element, but this element will now come in bracket now, because now this element is always, it is going to be a subset. For this element to be a subset, it will be in curly bracket. Now this element is there. Now this element is going to be subset. Already this element is in bracket, so this time it will be in double bracket. Now 1, 2, 3 is the over, and next time these two can also come. Possible subset, this one also can be a possible subset. So this condition is coming, and once you will find the cardinal number of it, then it will become 4. Proved. So better note down this one. Again, tomorrow evening, we will solve some questions like this. So tomorrow, what morning I am going to teach some very high level questions. I am going to collect 20-25 questions will be there. I think more than that questions I am willing to give. So that questions I will be giving you to solve. Okay. If you will be having time. So I'm going to keep it till here. Remaining, tomorrow I'm going to teach. Bye everyone.